Good afternoon, guys. How's everyone doing on this Thursday afternoon? I must admit, the sun's out and it's a glorious day. I hope you're in the best of moods. I hope you're in the best of healths, and I hope you're being the best version of yourself you could possibly be. Welcome to my channel, guys, Joey Barnett TV, where I like to upload different content as much as I possibly can, mostly about awareness, quite a lot about prison stories, a lot about bad experiences and some good experiences too. The reason why I like to share bad experiences is to deter anyone away from following my footsteps, or from thinking committing crimes, taking drugs is glamorous, because it's far from the truth. Anyway, guys, this is not going to be the video this afternoon. What I'm doing today is I'm cooking homemade pie mash and liquor. Now, where did this originally start from? My mum used to eat it at in Selkirk Road. My mum was born in 1934 and she was brought up on it. So you're talking 1935, 36 onwards. And this is what I was saying. I was literally brought up on it. We was there at least 2 or 3 times a week, every week, all of my life, all of my childhood anyway. And yeah, I've never ever forgotten and quite got over that taste. So because I've moved quite a way away from Harrington's now, where we used to get our pie mash and liquor, I decided to go about it myself and tackle it myself. And I've got a few recipes offline, tried a few different ones, and just worked with the ones which actually you know, I enjoyed doing and was quite easy to do. So what I've done is this is how I make my pie mash and liquor. Obviously it's all made fresh, apart from at the minute the pies, which is a little bit cheating, but you know how cheap the pies are now. They're not worth messing about with. But yeah, those just minced beef pies. So instead of doing homemade pies, we've got pucker pies, minced beef, and homemade mash and homemade liquor. So this is the recipe which I actually use. 1 minute, guys. Sorry about that, guys. I've got a case on my phone at the minute, and it's got a camera protector on the back of it, so it's pretty hard to turn it around without stopping the video and panicking, thinking, "Oh no, I'm going to lose my video." But yeah, guys, I'll spin the camera around and I'll show you where I'm at. So it's this normal flat leaf parsley which we buy, as you can see, out of Sainsbury's. I'm not going to promote their stuff, but that's where we get it from. You can get it from quite a few other outlets. I use a bit of corn flour, 500 mils of water, boiling water preferably, out of a kettle, and empty your parsley into the saucepan. So here's the parsley. Obviously it's chopped up already, but yeah, I do chop it a little bit more. Used the crushed chilies in it, not many, but just to give it a little bit of spice. Here's the potatoes on the go, as you can see. Homemade pie mash and liquor, and it's just so easy to do. So all you've got to do is buy a fish stock, which I will show you the fish stock. I'm actually going to start this recipe again. So get your fish stock. You need one of them cubes. Empty that into 500 millimeters of boiling water. Add your chopped parsley, add your chilies, crushed chilies preferably, and basically give it a good old chop and get it on the go, get it on the old pan. I normally boil that up for probably about an hour and thicken it up, wait for it to thicken. When you want to thicken it, what you do is you leave the lid off and it thickens on its own. But yeah, add a little bit of corn flour, this stuff here, and that's just to thicken the liquor up. But yeah, guys, what I'll do is wash it up for me and my missus. I'll actually do another video and I'll show you what it is all about. So guys, there's no excuse for not putting on an apron, yes, an apron, and getting in that kitchen and having a go, because you know there's nothing better than homemade recipes and home cooked food. Stuff what you can buy out of a packet, you know, it's okay, it does the job, but there's nothing like homemade. I know I'm cheating a little bit with the pies, I admit that. I'm bad, but you know what I'm saying. What was that, babe? Oh yeah, it gives me missus the afternoon of cooking too. So yeah, It's good all round, guys. Whatever you're doing, hope you're in a positive mood, hope you're in a good mood, hope you're in a good place, and I'll be uploading some more content in a bit. Happy Pie Mash and Liquor Day.